Here's a rational function. h of w equals w squared plus 3w plus 2 over w squared plus 5w plus 6. Let's simplify this rational function with the two steps. Step 1, factor. Step 2, cancel. These are easy to factor. They're just factor by guessings. On the top, we have w's in the first position. In the second position is a 2 and a 1, and they're both positive. You can check that in your head to make sure it actually does equal the top. On the bottom, we have w plus 2 times w plus 3, and you can FOIL that in your mind to see that that equals the polynomial on the bottom of the rational function. Step 2, let's see if we can cancel. Yes, we have a common factor of w plus 2 on the top and the bottom, so it leaves w plus 1 over w plus 3. Now notice that we are not allowed to cancel the w on the top of step 2 and the w on the bottom, because those are not factors, they're not multiplying. Those are terms, they're being added or subtracted, so you can't cancel terms, only factors, only things that multiply. So that's our simplified form. And now a little comment about the domain of this function. The domain of h is actually equal to all real numbers x, such that x is not equal to -3. Now that one's obvious, because if you have a -3, your final answer in the box would have a 0 denominator. But what's not so obvious is we also have to exclude -2. Why do we also exclude -2? It's because although we simplified the rational function to w plus 1 over w plus 3, we still had the original function that had a factor of w plus 2. And if we had allowed w to equal -2, it would have given us a 0 denominator in the original version of the rational function. The only correction I would make is that the domain should be written with w's instead of x's.